Okay, these are the next 3 rocks up for cutting. I have a couple of galaxy stones. Although that looks very, very jaspery. That's gonna be pretty. So I have a couple of these. And a massive agate nodule. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! Holy crap! Wow! That is so cool. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? It's time to cut open more of these. See what we got. Ooh. These are so freaking cool. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. The cool thing about these is that they're also pretty on the outside. And they have all these little crystal pockets on the outside too. Oh my goodness. Long time. Okay, here we go. Are you ready for the final result? Oh, look. What? That's so cool. It's very ghosty. Oh, that's so rad. That's so cool.